Aries, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, and I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So, yeah, Aries, this is just the insight for you guys to stay optimistic, to stay focused on those things which you really want to do and which are making you happy, so that you can achieve the blessings and the happiness and the love and abundance from the universe, and stay away from all those kind of things which can be a blockage in the way of your happiness and success. Okay, so yeah, Aries, let's see what is coming for the Aries people for the week of October 26 to November 1. Okay, is coming for the Aries. Okay, let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Aries people for the week of October 26 through November 1st. 7 of Swords. So this is your overall energy. Let's see. Wheel of Fortune. Wow, beautiful. King of Wands. 6 of Cups. 5 of Cups. 9 of Cups. Wow, right in the heart of your spread. 3 of Pentacles. Beautiful. 2 of Cups. So many cups are in your reading. 10 of Pentacles. So maybe some of you are dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. 8 of Pentacles. Sagittarius is also here, and the Leo energy. 6 of Pentacles. So some things are going to be balanced for you. Maybe right now you're feeling very balanced and feeling very, humble and at peace. Very calm energy from you, Aries. So this 7 of Swords are telling me that someone is feeling betrayed. Someone is feeling like the other person have done wrong with them, and yeah, the other person maybe wearing a mask, and that's why they didn't know the reality behind the mask. So that's why maybe whoever is this person, if this is you, like if you are feeling betrayed, I'm not feeling any betraying vibe from you. You are at peace. Maybe this is your person. But let's see. Wheel of Fortune, King of Wands, and the 6 of Cups are telling me things are going to change for you. You are in a very passionate energy. Maybe there is another fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, who wants to come towards you, and universe is sending them to you, and maybe they are your past life soulmate. Like in this lifetime, maybe you didn't met this person ever again, ever in the recent past or past, but this person is going to come towards you because universe wants this. Okay, so 5 of Cups, 9 of Cups, and the 3 of Pentacles. I'm feeling that whoever is this betraying person, they are feeling betrayed. They're sad. They think that every time this is happening to me, every time this is happening to me. So this is very victim mentality approach of there. And with the 9 of Cups and 3 of Pentacles, they're wishing for things to work out for them. Like, oh wow, so this is another. Okay, so they are wishing and that things can resolve for them on their own. Like they don't need to have done anything. They don't need to have put any kind of effort, energy, time. Okay, without their effort, energy, and time, things can be shifted for them. So this is very immature approach of them. They are like the victim in this equation of relation. Two of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, and the Eight of Pentacles. I'm feeling that you're doing great, okay? You are, wow, having abundance, because Two of Cups with the Ten of Pentacles, maybe in the workplace, you are going to meet with a very beautiful person who will be very, practical. Like they have some kind of earth energy, and then feelings as well, and then passion as well. Wow, so everything is here. Wow, so let's see what is the Seven of Swords here for the Aries. This is a new person. I'm feeling that they are very stable and open to love. Okay, what is the Seven of Swords here? Four of Pentacles, yeah. Five of Wands, Ten of Swords. Okay, so Aries, I'm feeling that whoever is this victim mentality person, they are not ready to open their heart. They are not ready to open up. They are not ready to speak what they are feeling, what they are going through. But whenever they speak, there is an argument happening, and that's why maybe you want to cut this person out of your life with the Ten of Swords energy. And that's why they are feeling betrayed. Like they want you to they want you to take care of them, because Four of Pentacles, this is also like you can nurture them, love them, and give them everything they want, but they are not ready for giving you anything back. So very immature approach. They need to heal themselves. Where's this Wheel of Fortune here? This person needs to end this kind of attitude, this kind of behavior, if they want to have something in their life. If they want things to change, they need to change. Five of Swords in reverse. Okay, Wheel of Fortune. Ten of Cups, wow. Nine of Swords. Wow, bottom of the deck we have the Judgment card. This is the decisions of the universe. This is like universe wants this. Five of Swords in reverse. I'm feeling that this person wants to change themselves. With the Five of Swords, like they don't want argument, they don't want to create conflict. Maybe if you're not with them, maybe they are trying to change, they are trying to heal themselves. Okay, because they have realized that this is just control, this is just manipulation, this is just ego. Okay, so this is in reverse, Five of Swords in reverse. So maybe they are now working on themselves. Okay, they are coming out of these kind of toxicity and toxic behaviors, and they want this Ten of Cups, and that's why they are a little bit worried with the Nine of Swords. Like when they healed, they are worried about the things that whenever they will heal completely, you will be not there for them. And maybe it's true, because you have moved on towards new. Maybe whoever is the past person, I'm feeling that they are healing themselves. Okay, let's see. What is this Nine of Cups here? Nine of Wands. Transformation, yeah. Ace of Swords. Yeah, you are doing great. Okay, you are doing great. Yeah, Six of Pentacles, bottom of the deck are telling me definitely you are doing great. You are like doing all those equal give and takes in your environment, in your society, in your family. Like you are not doing anything imbalanced right now. You are very in balanced position. Okay, with the Nine of Wands, transformation, and the Ace of Swords. This is Nine of Cups. If this is for your person, if they want their wish to come true, they need to go through this kind of transformation. They need to put this burden down, their past baggage burden. Okay, and they need to transform themselves, and they need to speak the truth, which is they are holding back for a long time. With the Four of Pentacles energy, they need to speak up right now. Okay, They need to speak, they need to go through this kind of transformation, because this is necessary for them. Where's the Two of Cups here? Knight of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Eight of Cups. Okay, yeah, whoever is this person, the new person, they are stable, they are mature, and they are very busy as well. And maybe you are not aware that this person has maybe feelings for you, and has those emotions, the love for you. You're very busy, like you are busy for your life journey, for your stability. You okay, you are not even looking at this person, but this person has something stable and tangible in their mind. So, and this person is also trustworthy. Okay, you can trust this person. So yeah, this is beautiful for you, Aries. I hope it helped. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.